Hello friends, welcome to Stock Business News. Friends, today I am going to cover a little bit business of SRF Limited and its future targets and how we can benefit from these stocks. In different ways I will tell you about this company. Why? Because in present COVID situation the most important thing is health concerns. Coming to this factor, the food processing unit majorly uses packaged films and friends to cover food, and lot e-commerce sites also providing veggies and all things by covering them with packaged films. The main thing I am talking about this because SRF Limited mainly producing that packaging films, and it has a huge, that means about 26% of its sales coming from that packaging industry, like wraps, like covers and packaging films and the lace packets, right? Those packets and all things are manufactured by this SRF Limited. And coming to next category, it has a fluorochemical business. Friends, today I am going to say why we are talking mainly about this business means which is used in refrigerants. They are used in refrigerators, and friends, for ACs and for refrigerators in vehicles, ACs in vehicles to preserve food, and those who are working in hot areas and continuous vehicles movement in that vehicles, conformly they are using ACs, and high-end models also using ACs. And coming to next, COVID vaccine, to preserve COVID vaccine and to travel, that vehicles like cold storage vehicles, we come across with cold storage capacity vehicles are very important. And due to COVID, e-commerce sites also increasing their food capacity, and for that to travel they also need cold storage vehicles. So friends, with this and recent government of India announced to ban imports of refrigerators with refrigerants. With this move, the manufacturing of Indian companies of ACs and all companies will gets benefit. With this, yes, SRF also will get benefit. So that's why I am mainly taking and picking this stock as our best company to kept in our portfolio. Friends, with government decisions and with the current market movement, we can pick so many stocks and we can leave the stocks. Don't connect with any stock mentally. Why? Because it will eat your capital. Why? Because there are so much of movement of stocks or companies or sectors will gain with government announcements. Friends, last year or 2 years back, Graphite India and HEG, which are the huge market in graphite rods in India and other countries also. But with the decrease and anti-doping duty of graphite imports into India decreased by government, the two companies will lost their shine. And with this, I am telling you that with the government announcements also, some companies will came into shine. Like now, the ban of refrigerants which are used in refrigerators gives a good benefit for SRF, and the manufacturers of refrigerators and industrial refrigerators, split ACs like Blue Star, Voltas, and contract manufacturing of these companies like Amber Enterprises. And friends, and one of the next thing we have to talk with SRF is their fabric coated, and tire fabric tire coated, that is which is used to withstand the weight of tires. It is they won't manufacture tires, but they provide that fabric which is used in tires to withstand the load and their durability, to increase their durability. For that purpose it was used. And in COVID times also, so much of vehicles are moving. Now they everyone using public transport, everyone using their own vehicles, and they are not preferring public transports to avoid COVID-19, to maintain social distance and all those factors. And friends, these fabric also used in belt conveyors, which is used to move coal from remote areas to power plants, and iron plants to move their core materials, iron ore and casting materials, which are dumped in adds to their boilers for melting purposes. And all these things also will benefit by using this company. And it also in technical textile area. And friends, this company another segment is chemicals, already we discussed. And next which is R&D of medicines. Friends, they won't manufacture medicines, but their R&D will benefit, and their R&D will use to possible of the medicines. So friends, by looking these all factors, we can conclude that we can add SRF in our portfolio will give you good revenue. Mainly present moving condition, we focused on packaging films and refrigerants. And coming summer and this festival season, they are ready to make, and they invested 3,500 crores last 4 years for their chemical sector, to increase their chemical sector for future demand. That means it is very helpful now that government of India banned refrigerants from imports. So with these, so many players will manufacture locally, and who won't have manufacturing capacity, with that Amber Enterprise also will benefit. And Dixon Technologies will preparing refrigerators, but they are have a capability to start this AC split contract. Why? Because they are also in the same field of white goods manufacturing for big clients. And SRF also having a global presence of its market. So friends, with this I am concluding this video, and we picked SRF as our future growth company. So friends, please subscribe my channel, share my channel, and tell to others to subscribe. So friends, thank you very much.